have another type of gland that called what? That called pancreas gland. That makes what? That makes this part. The example of how parts of this or this system that worked considered as an aid of some kind of what? Of sugar. So the blood sugar increase in our bodies. But what is the controlling system of this? We have insulin. Insulin hormone that produced by pancreas. To make what? To make the pancreas increase production of insulin. So the chemicals of insulin cause the body cells to open and inside the liver to make what? To decrease the level of sugar and store it inside the liver. So this energy or this type of insulin hormone that converts sugar into glycogen for what? Inside the liver to make what? To make the pancreas to produce insulin to make this decreasing of the blood sugar. Blood sugar increase in our body, so it is very, very dangerous for our life. Why? Because sugar it makes the high blood pressure, like the salt, like calcium salt. So the sugar of glycogen change into glycogen inside the liver until what? Until we need it to make activity in the morning or at night or any time of our bodies. So the blood sugar decreases by meaning of what? Of the insulin hormone. But in some kind of cases we have the food that we eat it inside our bodies. So digestive system that change food into what? Into glucose sugar, and this glucose sugar that move or absorbed by the small intestine of our bodies change into the blood. And after that, if the sugar decrease or increase, we have a controlling system that makes what? That makes protection of our bodies from diabetes. Diabetes, it means a type of disease that's responsible for or that makes increasing of the sugar, glucose sugar inside our blood, and it's very dangerous for our life to make this one. So the pancreas is very important one to make the insulin or to release the insulin inside our blood to control the glucose sugar level inside our bodies. So we have here an exercise. We have how hot is your knowledge of the hormones. Let's go to see. Start the first one. What are hormones also known as? Known as chemical reaction or chemical changes or chemical messengers or chemical energy. So here this is what? Chemical messengers, right? Or chemical messages. After that we have another one. Which body system that involved to production of hormone? We have nervous system? No, don't talk about the nervous system. Endocrine system? It's maybe right. Digestive system? No, we have circulatory system? No, wrong. So the nervous system is wrong and digestive system also wrong. But here we have endocrine, it's excellent. After that we have the endocrine gland produce the hormones insulin and the glucagon. Which one of the glands that produce this part? Thyroid gland? No. Pituitary? Maybe. But here we have pancreas. Pancreas, it's the gland that produce or has ability to produce hormones, insulin and the glucagon hormone. After that, which hormone don't ovaries produce? So which hormone do the ovaries produce? Which one? We have two types of hormones that produced or by released or secreted by ovaries. Which one? Estrogen and the progesterone. Excellent. Why? Because the insulin and the glucagon, they are secreted by the pancreas, and we saw it in the last question. So here we have estrogen and adrenaline. No, it's wrong. It's opposite to each other. So we have the testosterone, progesterone. They are completely wrong. So the first one is, or the right one is, estrogen and the progesterone. Next, we have number 5, which endocrine gland that's sometimes called the master gland. It's very easy to know. We have pituitary gland here. Excellent. So it's the master gland or the leader of these glands or endocrine gland because it's responsible for controlling each one of these glands. After that, next, we have the adrenaline. It's produced by adrenal gland, which the hormone also known as flight and flight, or right and fright, or night or day, or stone or run hormone. It's fight and flight. So here this is right. Why? Because it makes the adrenaline or the adrenaline hormone, it makes our bodies that's steady or ready to make any activity, hitting, running, swimming, anything to what, to move away from the source of danger. So the adrenaline, it makes fight and flight. It makes what? This is the common name of this hormone that's called adrenaline. Next we have which organ that takes hormone from the blood when they know the longer need by the body. So here we have the brain, stomach, intestines or liver. Organ takes hormone from the blood when our no longer needs the body. So which one? We have liver. Yes, very good. Why? Because it is stored any one of these terms. We have next. Which part of the body involved to controlling the amount of glucose in the blood? Pancreas, liver and brain, pancreas and liver, or pancreas, liver and lungs, or brain, pancreas and lungs, and brain, liver and ovaries. Brain, liver and ovaries, this is completely wrong. So here we have the brain, pancreas and liver. Excellent. So here this is the right answer. Now we have another part of the endocrine glands. We have the disease that happened by decreasing or increasing the hormone secretion. So the hormone secretion here, it has increasing or decreasing. So we have some confusion that happened inside our body to make some dangerous diseases. What happened? We will see. The first here we have dwarfism. What's meant by dwarfism? Dwarfism, it is a disease. We have many diseases now. Disease that happened by decreasing the secretion of growth hormone. Growth hormone if decrease, so our body don't make any growing through the time or during time. So the growth hormone decreases, so in the early stages of human age. So here we have this one, or this pituitary gland cannot make any secretion or decrease the secretion of growth hormone, so we have dwarfism. Dwarfism, we have dwarf person. That's called what? That's called the short person, but it has high, or it has what? It has large days to live. After that, we have the opposite of this one that called giantism. Giantism, it makes a disease that's happened by increasing the secretion of the growth hormone in the early stages of the human age. Here we have a person in this picture. We have the longest person in our planet, and we have the shortest person in our planet. So here we have, this is the long one or the longest one because it has giantism disease. Each one of them, it makes the age of the person, it's lower than the normal stage. Why? Because we have decreasing or increasing in the pituitary gland, the master gland of our bodies. After that, we have another type of disease that called simple goiter. Simple goiter, it means it's a disease that's happened by decreasing the secretion of thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine hormone that's found in the normal one of the thyroid gland. But here, if I have simple goiter, it makes what? It makes our eyes, it's opened. It's open like this. In this picture here, we have this is open like this, and you have some disease. It's Graves' disease. Is a common cause by what? By this exophthalmos. Dear friends, I hope to enjoy your time with us. Till we meet again in another part of revision about what? About Unit 4 and about all parts of the curriculum. Till we meet again, Thank you and goodbye everybody.